Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's kyrralashae here, and if you're new here, make sure you subscribe so you can join Dollz has to be a Bratz on us. Today I'm bringing you guys my flawless, no foundation makeup routine, basically my everyday makeup routine. I always get asked, how do you do your makeup, this and that, like how you do your eyebrows, what do you do, what do you use? So I was just finally like coming here and sitting down and actually doing my makeup in detail and telling you guys what I use. Get right into this video. And plus I also have to take pictures today, and I wanted to make some content today for like TikTok, Instagram of course, and you guys. So I might as well just show you guys how I do my makeup for it, because I do not wear foundation because I'm trying to branch away from foundation right now. I only wear foundation when it's like a special occasion, like my birthday or some shit, you know what I'm saying? But if it's just like regular taking pictures and stuff, I go with this routine. When my face is freshly washed, I make sure my face is freshly washed and clean before I put any makeup on it or anything on it, because I ain't simple. My skin, it took me a long time to get my skin like this, and I still have like dark marks and shit. So first, for my eyebrows, I use Benefit 24-hour brow setter. I don't do my eyebrows no more like that, for real. I only do it on special occasions, but I always do my brows first, and it takes me so long to do it.
While everyone sleeps, I'll be waiting there with my tricks, my looks, my hat, just so I'm low key. If you tell the world, that would be weak. Oh boy, see, I'm trusting you with my heart.
So my eyebrows are done. So I'm gonna move into my concealer. Since I don't do foundation, I usually use the Clinique concealer. I use that, or I just use this concealer from the drugstore. I got it from like Family Dollar. I love this one. This one really like gives me that bright eye look like I want. I'm trying to get new makeup and branch away from the drugstore and see what's out there, but I don't really know how I'm feeling about doing that anymore, because I don't want to buy some new shit and then it just don't work out, you know what I'm saying? So these are all the spots I conceal. I don't do that whole little V thing anymore, because waste of product. In my opinion, it's a waste of product, and I don't see the purpose of doing it anymore, basically. So after I do that, I'm going to color correct my mouth, because I do have a little like peach fuzz right here, and yeah, and it's like makes a dark ring around my mouth, and I don't like that. Now I'm going to take a damp beauty blender and blend this out, but still let my concealer set on my face. I make sure my concealer sets on my face for probably like 2 to 3 minutes, so it can just like dry a little bit and then blend out more, you know what I'm saying? Because it's going to get more coverage once the longer it sits. Now that this is like blended to the best of my abilities, I'm going to take this and put it around my mouth so it can be the same shade as my face. Now that I got my concealer done, I'm going to start the process of blending this out and contouring. couldn't believe it. See it for myself. I'm being patient. like a donut. Oh. So now that that's done, I'm going to go in and start contouring. I don't really have any makeup brushes for real because I use the same brushes since freshman year of high school, and most of the brushes are gone or broke up, so I only have like 2 of those brushes left, and this is one of them. This used to be my foundation brush, but now I use it to just contour my cheeks. I need to invest in a fucking makeup shit. What's that thing called? Makeup brushes, yeah. And I suggest you guys contour the shape of your face, because some people will contour like this way, like that, and then do this, and then this, and do this, and then sometimes do this. I used to do that, that's what I said, but now I just do this, this, and I don't contour my forehead because I don't really put makeup on my forehead to contour. So, and when I contour, I push it up and blend it outwards, basically. Instead of just doing this, I do up. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all what I'm using. I'm using this Black Radiance cream contour palette from medium to dark. I like cream contour, but I prefer powder. It gives it a nice brown shade that I like. My face is coming together already. I'm gonna contour my nose last because I only put powder on my nose. So I'm going to take my concealer again and go over with a second layer of concealer in the inner corner, and just in the inner corner. And upwards under the eye. Brighten it up a little bit, cause your girl be looking dead. I be looking dead, like. See, that's your fucking problem. Always trying to fix shit that ain't damn wrong. Now you done fucked it up. Hold on, y'all. Okay, so my contour palette is an eyeshadow palette. I use the darkest brown in here, which is this one. And I use this brush that came with a makeup palette that I don't know where it is anymore because I haven't seen it in like a couple years. And I'm going to use that and contour my nose. I like to start at my eyebrow bone right here and take it all the way in right here, and then take it out like that. So basically outlining the shape of my nose, basically. And then we're gonna do that for the other side too. I like to blend my nose contour out with my fingers. I don't know why, I just feel better blending it out with my fingers. And then I'll take the same brown shade that I used to outline the nose and put it under the nose to make it look like a button. And then I'm going to put some right here too. Yep. And then I'm gonna blend it out right here.
Mr. Dance, Nico the Gallo. Dirty South, dirty. Can y'all really feel me? Feel the East Coast, feel say what? West Coast, feel me? Dirty South, dirty. Can y'all really feel me? I got me the East Coast, feel me? West Coast, feel me?
Boy, I've been watching you like the hawk in the sky. That fly, you are my prey. I promise you, if we keep bumping heads, I know that one of these days
Now before we're done with the face, I'm going to set with my Anastasia Beverly Hills powder in deep peach. And I don't bake. I don't know, I just don't bake anymore because I don't know, I just don't bake anymore. And then I'll just take it and put it under my eye like that and go over the other and do that. And I used to put it under my contour, but I don't do that no more. Take some, put on my nose. Take some, put on my nose. Basically everywhere I put my concealer. Around my mouth. Then after I do that, I start tapping everything in. Start tapping everything in.
Oh boy, see I'm trusting you with my heart, my soul. I probably shouldn't let you, but if I let this go.
Now I'm going to go and do my lips. I'm gonna wipe my lips off. After I wipe my lips off, I want to line them. So I either do a brown or a black. Today I'm feeling the black one, so we're gonna go with up. I outline my lip shape.
Say no, 'cause I really need somebody. Tell me you're that somebody.
Baby girl, I'm the man from the big B. Want you to come play around my way? Hey, listen to what I gotta say. Do the thing. But you know I can never be. Rock show head, dance pan. Have people shaking my hand. Girl, let it know on the hands I leave. Give me gold bus and high feet. Make it play hands, believe. Don't you go? Gotta tell somebody.
So after I put my lip gloss on, use this, my NYX, in the shade Fortune Cookie, and put it on top, just right there. I don't only apply it to the bottom, because once it's spread, it's spread. Purr. Purr. Then I'm gonna take my Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara. Put some mascara on my eyes, and then I'm gonna put my lashes on. And I feel like for your eyes to really pop, it's key to put mascara on your bottom lashes. That's what really gives your eyes that pop, that like, you know. So make sure you put eyelash, what the fuck, put mascara on your bottom lashes. Cause see, you didn't really notice before how pretty I was. And I do not use highlighter because I went through a phase in high school of me wearing highlighter like obsessively, and now I just hate it. So I'm going to put my lashes on and then come back to the camera and we're done.
I've been holding back this secret from you. I probably shouldn't tell it, but if I let you know, you can take nobody. Are you responsible?
And here's the finished look. This is my everyday no foundation flawless makeup routine, and you can try it yourself and see what, like, see if you like it or see if this is good for you, especially if you're not into foundation, trying to find a natural look. This is a perfect routine for you because it's very simple. And I also added my moles, my beauty marks that's on my face naturally. So yeah, this is the look. I hope this is simple enough for you guys to understand and get, because it's lots. This is the makeup I usually do when I take my pictures. Most of my pictures I usually do this makeup look because it's so easy and quick and I'm done. Like, it just literally, if I wasn't filming and talking and just listening to my music, this shit would have been like 10 to 15 minutes. since I was filming and talking, it's been to like 20 something. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys follow all my social medias. They are linked in the description below, and I think they are the same as my name, kyrralashae, on everything, you know what I'm saying? TikTok, Instagram, and here. So make sure you guys follow me on there. I love you guys so much, and the numbers are going up, baby. And so if you're new to watching me, you're gonna have the most fun on this channel. I'm telling you guys right now. But I will see you guys in the next video. I don't know what it is gonna be, but make sure you guys leave video ideas and like comment down below and talk to me, like for real. Talk to your girl, you know what I'm saying? And plus, I wouldn't know what you guys would like to see if you don't tell me in the comment section or tell me on Instagram if you go follow me on there, you know what I'm saying? So make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. Make sure you guys stay in touch with me, and make sure you guys have your post notifications on so you guys know when I post. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, Bratz.